14 consonants.
다음.
Before we learn the 14 basic consonants, let's find out where the shapes of these consonants come from. In Eastern philosophy, our ancient Koreans believed that sky, earth, and human beings were the three elements of universe. And they have tried to understand the relationship between the universe and humans. Based on this philosophy, the 14 basic consonants were created by adding the spaces north, south, east, and west to these three symbols. Each consonant has a similarity in shape, depending on the tongue position and shape in which it is pronounced. They are divided into 5 sound groups based on the articulatory position of the first syllable and how it is articulated. The 5 sound groups and the corresponding consonant sounds are molar sounds made near the molars,
그, 크,
tongue sounds made by lightly touching the tip of the tongue to the front of the roof of the mouth,
느, 드, 트, 르,
lip sounds made by lightly touching the upper and lower lips together,
무, 부, 푸,
tooth sounds made between the upper and lower teeth,
스, 즈, 치,
and throat sound made in the throat.
응, 흐.
Once you learn the consonants, you will soon become familiar with their shapes. Now, let's learn the 14 basic consonants one by one.
기역,
The name of this consonant is
기역.
The name of each of these consonants is the best example you can learn of how they are written and pronounced, using each consonant for the initial and final consonants of syllables. The consonant Giyeok sounds like the G sound you make when you pronounce the English word gun, and it looks similar. Practice this consonant by reading it out loud and writing it several times. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
기역,
기억,
기역,
기억,
기역. 니은,
The name of this consonant is
니은,
nieun is the same N sound you make when you pronounce nose. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
니은,
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 니은. 디귿,
The name of this consonant is digeut. Digeut is the same D sound you make when you pronounce dog. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
디귿,
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 디귿. 리을,
The name of this consonant is
리을.
rieul is the same R sound you make when you pronounce rattlesnake. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
리을,
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 리을. 미음,
The name of this consonant is mieum. Mieum is the same M sound you make when you pronounce mug. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
미음,
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 미음. 비읍,
The name of this consonant is bieup. Bieup is the same B sound you make when you pronounce book. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
비읍,
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 비읍, 시옷,
The name of this consonant is
시옷, 시옷,
is the same S sound you make when you pronounce star. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
시옷,
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 시옷, ieung,
The name of this consonant is
ieung,
when
ieung,
is used as an initial consonant in a syllable, it is silent. And when
ieung,
is used as a final consonant in a syllable, is the same ng sound you make when you pronounce sing and song. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
ieung,
이응,
ieung,
이응,
ieung, 지읒,
The name of this consonant is
지읒, 지읒,
the same j sound you make when you pronounce jelly. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
지읒,
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 지읒, 치읓,
The name of this consonant is
치읓, 치읓,
the same ch sound you make when you pronounce chicken. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
치읓,
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 치읓, kieuk,
The name of this consonant is kieuk. Kieuk is the same k sound you make when you pronounce ki. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
kieuk,
키읔,
kieuk,
키읔,
kieuk, tiut,
The name of this consonant is
tiut, tiut,
the same t sound you make when you pronounce teeth. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
tiut,
티읕,
tiut,
티읕,
tiut, pieup,
The name of this consonant is
pieup, pieup,
the same p sound you make when you pronounce penguin. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
pieup,
피읕,
pieup,
피읕,
pieup, hieut,
The name of this consonant is
hieut, hieut,
the same h sound you make when you pronounce hat. Now, try pronouncing it 5 times, following the voice.
hieut,
히읗,
hieut,
히읗,
hieut.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like, it would be a great help for me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.
다음에 또 만나요.